Hey everyone, Halloween is just around the corner, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am obsessed with charcuterie boards and snack boards. So today I am sharing with you how I made this amazing Halloween inspired snack board so that you can be the envy of all of your guests. I've also shared even more Halloween inspired charcuterie and snack boards on my blog in a new post called Halloween Snack Board Ideas. So please make sure you head over to lazyspoonfarms.com and check it out.